Therefore, when it comes to their designs, smartphones have been fairly boring for a while. Simply said, it seems like we haven't seen any really avant-garde phone designs in a very long time. The S23 Ultra resembles the S22 Ultra and the Note 20 Ultra nearly precisely. Things become more worse if we speak about iPhones and Pixel phones. The Z Fold 5 will resemble the Z Fold 4, which appeared similar to the Z Fold 3, in the same way as foldables do. Since every smartphone is a slab with a full screen up front, there aren't many ways to design them, so I can't really hold it against these companies. Therefore, the only modification they could make was to redesign the camera module. Regrettably, these modifications can only advance the design so far. In the end, everything is identical. I'm trying to argue that the design of smartphones has reached a plateau, and the Galaxy S24 family may be no exception. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will have a punch-hole display up front and separate camera lenses in the rear, according to early speculations. Since Samsung has been using the same design for its flagship smartphones for at least 2 years, I can't say that I'm really surprised. To distinguish the S24 series from the S23 series, however, a few minor changes could be made. Let's talk about the Galaxy S24 Ultra now. The design of the S24 Ultra could resemble this since it will have one less camera because they are employing a continuous zoom camera, which eliminates the requirement for an additional 3x telephoto sensor. They can only do so much with a piece of glass, so although this is simply a concept, I wouldn't be shocked if it turned out to be the final design. Anyway, Ice Universe has already stated that the S24 Ultra's primary camera will not feature any new hardware. Samsung will continue to use the 200-megapixel sensor. The continuous zoom camera will be the sole novel feature of the camera. However, this does not imply that the main camera's quality will remain the same. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.